Good morning children, this is 5th class maths. Today I am going to do revision block 17. The block 17 is length. Block 17 is length. What all we learn in length children? We learned units of length, conversions of length and addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions or length and story problems. What is length? The length is distance between 2 points on a line segment. Length is distance between 2 points on a line segment. As you know, 10 millimeter is equal to how many centimeters? 1 centimeter. And 100 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 1 meter. Okay. Now I am going to explain conversions. Children, these are the metric units of length. See, these units are arranged in big to small. So once again I am reading the units: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeters. So when you converting bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. When you converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Children, see, I wrote here bigger unit to smaller into, you have to multiply. Smaller unit to into bigger unit, you have to divide. Okay. So when you are multiplying or dividing, when you converting, what you have to do? Every step you have to multiply 10. So when you are dividing, every step you have to divide. For example, I'll show you 6 kilometer you have to convert in meters. 6 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 6 kilometer is equal to how many meters? So you have to converting bigger unit to smaller unit. So what you have to do? You have to multiply. Okay, 6 kilometer into meters. So you have to multiply how much for 6? See, 3 steps. So 3 times you have to multiply 10. 10 into 10, 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So 6 into 1000. So 6 kilometer is equal to 6 into 1000 is equal to 6000 meters. Suppose if you converting centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. So what you will do here? You will divide. So centimeter to meter. 2 steps are there. So how much you have to divide? 1000. So 2 centimeter is equal to how many meters? 2 centimeter. I'll show here children. 2 centimeter is equal to how many meters? So you have to centimeter to meter, you have to divide 100. Here 2 divided by 100. So here 2 zeros are there. So after 2 digit, put the point. So 0.02 meters. Okay. Children, here some examples I am showing here. 5 kilometers is equal to how many meters? So you have to converting kilometer to meter. That means bigger unit to smaller unit. Kilometer to meter. So how much you have to multiply for 5? You have to multiply 1000. Because why you are multiplying? You are converting big to small. So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 meters. So answer is 5000 meters. Now second one, 20 meters to kilometer. Meters to kilometer. See here, meters to kilometer. That means smaller unit to bigger unit. So when you converting smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. So how much you have to divide children? Meter. Meter to kilometer 3 times 10. You have to multiply. So how much? 1000. For 20 meters, 20 divided by 1000 Here this 0 cancel. So what is the answer here? 2 zeros are there. So after 2 digit, write the point, put the point. So 0.02 kilometers. Next, third bit, 630 meters. 630 meter is equal to dash kilometers. So again you are converting meter to kilometer. So bigger, smaller unit to bigger unit. Smaller into bigger unit, you have to divide. How much? 1000. For 630 you have to divide 1000. So here this 0 cancel. Here 2 zeros are there. So 63. After 2 digit, put the point and reach 0. So what is the answer, children? 0.63. 0.63 kilometers. Next, fourth question, 3210 millimeters. 3210 millimeters is equal to dash meters. See a scale, you are converting millimeters to meters. So you have to divide millimeters to meter, divide how much? 1000. So 3210 divided by 1000. Here this 0 cancel. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. After 2 digit point, so 3.21 millimeters. 3.21 meters. Last fifth one, 26 centimeter. Centimeter to meter. See here, centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meters, how many steps? 1, 2. So how much you have to divide? 100. You have to divide. Why, children? You are converting smaller unit to bigger unit. So here 2 zeros are there. So after 2 digit, put the point. So answer is 0.26 meters. Okay, I hope you understood. Whenever you converting, first you draw this table, then you will be not confused. Here some questions are given, children. These sums you have to do it in the conversions, you do it in the classwork. 1.095 meters is equal to dash meters, dash centimeters, dash millimeters. You have to write it in separate. B bit 456 centimeter to meter. C bit 50.04 meters into millimeters. D1 6045 millimeters into, make it separate, meters and centimeters. Now second question, Tanya has broken her 15 centimeter long ruler in 2 pieces. If one broken piece is 4.8 centimeter long, then what is the length of the other piece? What you have to do, children, here in this sum? What you will do? Addition, subtraction, or what? You have to do subtraction. Okay. And practice story problems from workbook. We'll meet in next class. Thank you.